Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Big John from Big John's Boy House. Out here with the white male, getting ready to get picked up by his new family. What?
Hey, boy.
What? Big boy. He just wants some love and
You fill out that card, love.
What? Pretty boy. They just texted they're 25 minutes away. So when they get here, go ahead and continue this video. How you doing, Big Rock?
Appreciate everything.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man. Brought grubs too.
Everything.
Yeah.
You got 4 Friday steak sandwiches, and I got the cake in the back.
Okay.
Good, how are you? My name's Joe. Robert. Hey, what's up, boy? Look at his eyes, Joe. Look at him. Wow.
Yeah, of course. That's a big one.
That's the tri boy from Illinois Kennels?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is Gotti. This is the father to your pup there. Gotti, relax. Quick.
Oh, you ain't kidding. The videos do no justice for
The
him.
videos
Yeah,
don't do
you're
no
not
justice
kidding.
for this boy,
No,
man.
not at
Look
all.
his actual size? Hell no.
Oh my
If you want, hey Joe,
gosh.
take this camera. I'll turn it around. Go ahead, turn it around, and
He is.
Gotti, come. Gotti, come. I'll go ahead and turn him around.
Sideways. Got it. There you go, boy. Hip. Got it. Hit.
You guys want pictures with your dad, man? Jump in there. Get your pictures with him.
Come on.
Yeah, go ahead. You jump in there.
Got it, come. Good boy.
Gotti, help.
Oh, look at that book.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah.
He's a big baby.
Here you go.
He is.
You better get
He's the one that wakes me up every morning. He just wants out of the box.
Man, you
He
ain't
just wants out of
kidding,
the
John.
box to be out.
Oh yeah, he's a monster, bro.
Yes, he's
Monster.
huge.
We got a picture. We got a picture of Gotti at the same age. We just took a picture of a little white boy here sitting on the sidewalk. I got one of Gotti at the same age at my mother's house. I'll send you that picture, man, side by side.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. He is huge.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, he does.
Holy cow.
Definitely got you a monster there, man.
Yeah.
So what do you guys think of the puppy and the father?
Man. Beautiful, man. Like you said, pictures do no words when you see him in person.
Yeah.
I know when you had, was it Loki that I wanted?
Loki.
Loki and Savage. Was
Yeah,
the
yeah,
Oh my
yeah.
God, we just couldn't at the time because where we were living at, we couldn't have dogs,
Right.
and we weren't able to. But I said this time we're able to. So here we go. Yeah, we jumped at the right time.
Oh yeah.
I mean, but any dogs that I've seen you guys produce,
Yeah.
Yeah.
beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
We appreciate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you ain't kidding.
Now you can actually see the size of that big boy.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, he's almost 15 pounds at 8 weeks.
Yes, that was Thursday.
Yeah, that was Thursday.
They've been gaining anywhere from 2 to 2.25 pounds, like every other week. Yeah. Oh yeah.
And they're solid.
Oh yeah.
I'm amazed about that.
You guys named him Blanco, huh?
Blanco.
Nice. Yeah, we got a female in the garage named Blanca.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the one.
One came from Cali.
Cali,
It's
yeah.
a Hooch great granddaughter.
That's the one you're gonna make with hooch with.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one.
Yeah.
That's
Okay. New family. Going home with their puppy. Appreciate you guys. I'm glad you guys are happy with him. Huge shout out to all the subscribers, supporters, likes, shares, comments, followers, all the love that we get and continue to get. As always, take care. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. Keep rocking with us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Absolutely.